Okay, well, this piece of wood is maple. I got this, I want to say, almost a year or so ago. One of the first hauls of maple I got. It had a really cool shape to it, but I didn't have the lathe for it or the saw to really cut it until recently. I just got this saw. If I'd had it to do over again, this piece originally right here had a really neat little burl on it. I would save it and do things differently if I could, but can't do anything about that piece right now. Whoops. Now I have this piece. Okay. All right, cool, whatever. But I do have this. Can't really do, so for this piece, I love the shape. I think I'm gonna have this side be higher and this side be lower and this be like a bowl. I really love this piece in here. The grain I know is beautiful on this. Don't think I'm gonna be able to save much of the bark. And with the termite damage there, you know, I don't know. But this wood here is really, really hard. It's really good wood. So I'm gonna save as much of that as I can. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. I wanted to do it before video. This is my first time doing a video. I finally got all my stuff set up in the garage, so we'll see how that goes. Well, okay, there it is. After all the shellacking and whatnot that went onto it, I am happy with how this turned out. Uh, I did not video all the steps the way I should have, and in retrospect, I wish I hadn't used this giant LED for most of it. But anyway, as far as first videos goes, I'm pretty happy with it because this is a cool piece. The piece turned out to be really awesome in the end. So you can still see the termite damage on the bottom there. You can see actually there's a that little hole there in the center. I used a giant Forstner bit to get a hole big enough for my tower jaws from my one chuck whatever thing. Anyway, I had to put a big hole in there, and I ended up putting a recess in that I pierced the bottom there basically. So I ended up putting some CA glue and some sawdust in there until it filled it up, and I don't know if anybody would even know that's what it was if I didn't say so, but I think it's worth knowing. These cracks were not there, worth noting a couple days ago. I did leave the bottom kind of thick because I had already put that hole in the middle. But I really love the shape of this over the side on the sides here. You know, that turned out so cool. I got to save some of that bark like I wanted to. Some of the bark did fall off on the top here, but I don't really know what to do about that. It is what it is. So anyway, I thought this turned out beautiful. It's not, I don't know what it would be used for. It's not really a functional bowl, I guess. Maybe for change or whatnot. But oh, and the cracks on the bottom, like I said, that started after I was quote unquote done. So even after it sat there for a year, it's still gonna crack. But whatever. I love this maple. It was a great find.